Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a block blast mod that allows you to score unlimited points. It's an incredible hack that can help you reach the highest score in the world, and it works seamlessly on both iOS and Android. The process involves using a modded version of the game, which comes loaded with some awesome features. I've already tried it out myself, and as you can see, it works like a charm. Let me walk you through the steps to get this set up quickly and easily. If you're using an iOS device, there are a few settings changes we need to make before you can download it. For Android users, no changes are necessary. Only iOS requires these adjustments. First, go into your battery settings and make sure low power mode is turned off. This step is crucial, as leaving it on can interfere with the installation. Once the app is installed, you can revert your settings back to normal, so no worries. It's just for the installation. Next, go into your general settings, find the background app refresh option, and ensure it's turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. It cannot be off, or it could mess up the installation. The process is straightforward from here. On your iOS or Android device, go to this website called pluginsurf.com. This site has a bunch of tweaked apps and games that we can download for free without needing a jailbreak or anything complicated. In the search bar, type Block Blast to find the game. Now tap the app and then click the button that says Start Installation on the pop-up. Now you will have to wait for this to load. It usually is fast and will load under 30 seconds usually. So before you can use the full app, you will have to complete 2 plugins from the list. Basically, for the app to fully run and load, it needs this, and it is required for the app to work. But it's simple. You just tap the app or plugin and read the instructions and do exactly as it says. Then once you've done one, you go back and do one more because you have to do 2 for it to count. Some tasks are straightforward, like running an app for 30 seconds, while others may require completing a game level. Just make sure to follow the instructions carefully. But whatever plugin file you choose, just make sure you do exactly as the instructions say and do 2 of them, and all of these apps or plugins are completely safe. They just take you to the App Store or Google Play Store. But once you complete the instructions of 2 of them, then it will pop up that the app is now installing exactly like this. For Android users, instead of downloading an iOS profile, you'll automatically be taken to the final step page where you'll complete the plugin files, and then the app will appear on your home screen. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.